And you're back in Pullman, Washington. We've got third baseman Jack Smith with us. And Jack, first let's talk about you individually. 3 for 4 in this game, drove in a couple of runs. You were seeing the ball well today, weren't you?
Absolutely, yeah. I've been struggling a little bit the last couple of weeks, so it felt good to get out there, get a couple hits. They were just falling, and happy that our offense was put that big inning together. That was huge.
Give me a sense of, like, it seems like the postseason's possible, but we're not sure. Right, and so you guys as players, are you banding together thinking, okay, let's sweep this series, let's make them not vote us in?
Yeah, no, that's definitely the attitude, but we're really focused on one game at a time, and Skip's been talking to us all week. Just focus on the process, focus on one game at a time. Don't worry about the outside noise, what's going on. It's been effective for us, and we did a good job coming out today and just worrying about today and not worried about the future.
What do you think was different in the 8th inning today? Or the inning that you guys scored 6 runs in, or what was the 6 or 8 runs in the 6th inning? What was different in the 6th inning versus the others?
I think a lot of times we just need that one little spark, and then we have Preston Clifford come out. The wind's blowing out, but all it takes is a little fly ball out to right with this weather. So, Preston, that was a huge hit for us, and Brandon White was working so hard, giving us a chance to win, especially when we were struggling. The ball wasn't falling for a lot of our hard hit balls that we were happening in the first couple innings. So, Preston really ignited us, and I think everyone kind of got that energy in the dugout, and we took it to them.
Yeah, it was pretty cool to see him hit that home run, and Brandon White was awesome for those first 5 innings, wasn't he?
Oh,
What's
yeah.
it like when your starting pitcher, kind of sets the tone for you guys?
Absolutely, and in a game when some people can be nervous, it's Apple Cup, first time for a lot of our guys, and Brandon White going out there and carving, doing a great job throwing strikes. I mean, that's all we need. He's got the stuff. He's one of our best pitchers. He's been doing it for 3 years now, and I love him. He's been doing a great job, and he set the tone for us. That's 100% true.
All right, Jack, thanks for your time. Good luck in Game 2.
Thank you. Go Cougs.